So today is 20th of February 2020. Today an ugly hack is applied to the latest build of the MeizuOS 17 for the Xiaomi A2, which is the model of Jasmine Sprouts. So it seems to me that the head get rid of something about the data partition. As you know that the data partition for the Android version up to 9, the data partition is encrypted. I mean, the full partition is encrypted, and during the transition to the Android 10, there is no longer accept the full data, the full disk encryption. Instead, a so-called file-based encryption is emerged. So there is some how can I say? There is some difference to achieve compatibility. So in this hack, I skip the full data partition and leave it only as a 10 drive. So everything will put into the memory. So make it process folder especially for the Apex module. The Apex module, there is a libc, the library C, the Bionic library, which is required to access the data partition with read-write. With the read-write requirement. So previously I put it up and see there is too many errors. So I now just leave it alone. So everything put into the 10fs and get rid of it a little bit while. So it seems to me that now the boot progress can process further. So here's the video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, once again, accidentally get into the twrp. So this time, let's go. So that's it. Don't know what happened, but it seems like they would progress success of it, and then going into the launcher and it's stuck. Okay, let's see what happened then. So stay tuned.